Best robot vacuums for pet hair. In this video, we will show you the best robot vacuums for pet hair. Product links are provided in the description box. Number 1. Equivax Debo 10-1 Omni. Rating, 4.2 out of 5. Surface, hard floor. Product specification. Good battery life. Self-emptying dustbin. Built-in voice assistant. AI-powered obstacle avoidance. Self-washing, drying, and refilling mop. Number 2. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus 7550 Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. Rating, 4.3 out of 5. Surface, carpet. Product specification. Auto-empty base. Rarely gets stuck. User-friendly companion app. Pet waste avoidance guarantee. Allows for scheduled area cleanings. Number 3. Shark RV1001 AEIQ Robot Self-Empty XL. Rating, 4.3 out of 5. Surface, hard floor. Product specification. Powerful suction. Row-by-row cleaning. Never got stuck in testing. Phone or voice command. Comes with a physical boundary strip. Number 4. Robrick S7 Max V Ultra Robot Vacuum. Rating, 4.5 out of 5. Surface, hard floor. Product specification. Self-emptying dustbin. Self-washing and refilling mop. AI-powered obstacle avoidance. Best-in-class mopping performance. Carpet sensor and mop lifting feature. Number 5. Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert Pet Robot. Rating, 3.8 out of 5. Surface, area rugs. Product specification. Powerfully vacuum. Mops and vacuums. 2-tank cleaning system. Works with cleaning solution. Automatically avoids carpet when mopping. Number 6. Equivax Debo T8 AIV iRobot Vacuum Cleaner. Rating, 4.0 out of 5. Surface, floors. Product specification. Exceptional battery life. Powerful custom cleaning. Supports virtual boundaries. Simultaneous vacuuming and mopping. Automatically recognizes and avoids obstacles. Number 7. Robrick S7 Plus Robot Vacuum. Rating, 4.4 out of 5. Surface, carpet. Product specification. Auto-empty base. Rarely gets stuck. Vacuums and mops. Strong suction power. Multiple mop scrubbing levels. Thanks for watching.